कुछ लोग विला में आते हैं प्यार ढूंढने,
और कुछ आते हैं सिस्टम की हॉटनेस बढ़ाने। So guys, दिल थाम के बैठिए क्योंकि we are introducing the one and only
एंटरटेनमेंट की स्ले क्वीन
निया शर्मा।
But I'm built to kill.
Hey guys.
Hello.
And relax guys. मैं यहाँ पे कोई लव स्टोरीज तोड़ने नहीं आई, मैं बस यहाँ पे थोड़ा ट्विस्ट और मसाला ऐड करने आई हूँ।
हाय, इसी से थोड़ा डिफाइन अगर कर दो आप ट्विस्ट तो मजा आ जाए।
Twist is when they say it's complicated, but then I say content मिल गया।
अरे ये तो हमारे जैसी है यार।
क्या बात है, मजा आने वाला है बहुत ज्यादा। Hi guys, this is your insider हामिद बारिक जी।
And this is सिमरन बहल।
और हमारे साथ है निया शर्मा। मतलब मेरा मन ही नहीं कर रहा बात करने का, सिर्फ देखने का मन कर रहा है। कितने सुंदर लग रहे हो यार आप।
You look handsome too.
You look very pretty.
Really? Thank you.
मेरी रील कट गई है। हैंडसम बोल जाएगा। How are you feeling? How's it going?
It's going great. I'm getting a hang of the schedule like I was just telling you.
Yes.
So अभी तक सिर्फ closed spaces में shoot किया है मैंने काफ़ी सालों तक, but now suddenly I've come to an outdoor schedule after a very very long time. So थोड़ा बहुत हिल गया, body जवाब दे गई है, but then I'm just getting a hang of it.
I'm sure. But you're having fun.
I'm having a great time.
That is the most important. ठीक है, बात ये है कि मिस्चिफ मेकर हो आप इस सीजन, एंड मैंने जितना देखा है मिस्चिफ मेकर के आते ही ना कंटेस्टेंट्स मिल जाते हैं। आपका प्लान क्या है?
So like I said, of course I'm the new addition to the show, but Mischief Maker concept is not the new addition. Urfi's been there. So I'm also getting spoon-fed by Urfi, by the team, by everybody else to be the Mischief Maker also. Although I am not that hardcore Mischief Maker, I still have fun when the contestants are having fun. So I realize that I laugh a lot more than Urfi does. She stands like a host, but I'm still figuring myself out whether I want to laugh with them or I want to be strict like, oh, I've come with twist. So I'm having a lot of fun. This lingos of तू चल, मैं सिर्फ टीवी पे देखती थी, but now suddenly it's all happening in front of me, तो मैं अपनी हंसी रोक नहीं पाती। So along with being the host, I'm also in my own little shenanigans trying to adjust to the language here.
They're having fun.
It's a lot of fun. It's that moment of यहाँ दिल्ली वाले हंस के पागल हो जाए. But then I also have to stand with my class, that okay, I'm Nia on the show, I've come like a host. But मैं पागलों की तरह हंसती हूँ. So it's just that one bit.
तो आप फुल टाइम ट्रबल रहने वाले हो कि पार्ट टाइम क्यूपिड भी होने वाले हो? क्या प्रेफरेंस रहेगा आपका?
I would love to be a cupid for sure because trouble, we essentially are trouble. But always sticking to the one thing that you've come for does not, sometimes it becomes boring. So if there comes a chance and if I see potential match between two people, I'm always going to tell them.
हाँ, so you played a lot of roles, बहुत सारे किरदार देखे हमने आपके। इस बारी अलग क्या देखने वाले हम?
I'm hosting for the first time on television. That's different, and that kind of gave me a little bit of jitters because in the past I had been called for a lot of hosting portions on different channels, but I never made the cut. I feel that I always failed, although there must be different reasons. But again, this time the makers did not audition me or anything. They just told me, Nia, we want you on the show. We want you to be the Mischief Maker. I think that in itself is honor enough. A show that you probably in your 18 and 19 when you probably were standing in the line of a Splitsvilla and Roadies and trying to audition and make the cut, but this time after a lot of years you're just coming here as a name. I think that in itself is very very special.
मिस्चिफ मेकर में ऐसा अलग क्या दिखेगा हमारे को?
Yeah, I feel that the money angle that they have attached to this show and the two separate villas this time. Like Urfi and I are hosting one, Karan and Sunny are on the other side. The contestants there don't know about us. This side, they don't know about them, right?
Yeah.
So I feel this in itself is a very twisted kind of a base show, and when they actually come face to face, I want to see their reactions, So I probably have come in for that, to handle that one side of the villa, and I like the money part because, I'm all for money.
Good one, straightforward. Boys or girls? कौन पहले रोएगा आपके हिसाब से?
रोएगा? मैंने जितना देखा है अभी तक, जितना मैं नोटिस कर पा रही हूँ, girls are fire. They don't stop. Boys take a little bit of time. Boys might cry, but like Urfi says that जो शुरू में दिखता है वो वैसा होता नहीं है. Boys end up दुशुम पे आते हैं सीधा. They don't talk much, and girls लड़ते से फुस पड़ जाती हैं. So I give her that because she's spent more time on the show than me. But I still feel that boys are somewhere, they're likely to cry. earlier than girls.
ज्यादा
Yeah,
मजा
yeah or
किसमें
no?
है? He's already crying.
Only for you.
Am I right or am I wrong?
You're right. I think
You're
you're
right?
right. Yeah. लड़कों का दिल ज़्यादा जल्दी लग जाता है. I feel
झूठे।
उसमें सिला जैसे शो पे. नहीं seriously.
एक्सपीरियंस इसका इतना बोलने आ जाता है ना, बट धीरे धीरे
इनके सामने फालतू.
ओ सॉरी नो गर्ल
चलो next.
बट ज्यादा मजा किसमें है? एक्सपोज करने में कि ट्रैप करने में?
I'm bad at the first one. I can expose somebody well when they're trying to. Yeah, I
Aman's ready.
get people's drift. You know, I get what they're up to. मतलब मैं समझ जाती हूँ. I can, but I am very bad at trapping people. I'm not that essential. If you're asking about the personal this thing.
No, not personally. It's like for Splitsvilla.
For the contestants, basically.
I
क्या
like
लगता
to
है आपको?
expose them, yeah, and trap them. Trapping is a part of our game, is a shenanigan. I would want to expose them and see their faces. I think that tells a lot more about them.
And it's a reality show. I feel अगर expose नहीं करोगे तो फिर बाद में सोचते रह जाओगे कि यार
Correct.
किया क्यों
Yeah,
नहीं. So that's also there. One word for this season.
Hot.
वो तो आप हो ना.
वो
तो
तो
शो है ना.
अरे जो तो
वो
सुनना
show पे तो
है.
मैं ना.
चलो ठीक
अच्छा
है.
then one word for you.
Fire.
Okay, if you say.
नहीं
so.
वो मेरी तो that's from my
Hot
side.
fire.
From my
आपका
side.
क्या है?
I'll say water.
What?
Okay, why?
Water?
That's what I call myself.
You can adjust anywhere. Flow. है ना?
Goes with
Okay.
the flow.
ठीक है. Karan versus Sunny. आप किसकी टीम में हो?
Karan again is new to this season like me. I would pick Sunny because Sunny is like the Amitabh Bachchan of Splitsvilla. Unbreakable bond.
क्या बात है?
अच्छा रिलेशनशिप्स आर वेरी टफ. तो ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो आप टॉलरेट नहीं करोगे?
Lying is the worst shit that you can do to somebody, and everybody does that. That hampers the whole equation for me personally, and even on the show. When you start lying is when it's going down the drain for me.
You have to be honest.
Why not?
That's the best thing. I feel.
That's why
Yeah.
you want to be with somebody. You can't be lying about it. You can't be
Yes.
lying to me about liking me and
I will
then
never
shading
lie to
me
you.
and then and
Never.
talking to 5 other girls. That'll be
Yeah,
such a
right,
shitty
ठीक
thing
है.
to do.
अभी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं ये मैंने नहीं लिखा, ये सामने से आया है, ठीक है.
आप खौफ में हैं हमें.
Any ex story that haunts you?
Ex stories?
हाँ.
No, not really. Actually, yeah, I don't remember the last time I had an ex. Honestly बोल रही हूँ मैं, है ही नहीं, मुझे वो वर्ड भी नहीं समझ में आता है. वो ex बनने से पहले तो वो ये भी नहीं पता था कभी रिलेशन चल भी रहा है कि नहीं चल रहा है. It was just going on and then one day it just suddenly stopped. So all I know by now is that you should always be ready to just say goodbye at any point of time. This is my takeaway from any of it.
Okay, got it. Okay, so now we are going to play this game. Basically जहाँ पे आपको check it या chuck it करना है. अगर आपको लगता है check it, so you have to do this, and chuck it, you have to do this.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Okay. Starting with contestant who fights purely for camera. Chuck it.
Okay. Gossiping about your ex connection
In the show.
in
Yeah.
the show.
For masala, yeah, it's a good thing, but for me personally, it's a no-no.
Okay.
Stealing
Okay.
someone's connection if they flirt first.
But these are good things for a show, so yeah, okay.
Okay, dating two people at once, Splitsvilla style. Okay, जल्दी आ गया इसका आंसर.
The one who says मैं सिर्फ true love के लिए आई हूँ या आया हूँ.
Bullshit.
Oh no, ठीक है. Brutally honest, the one who gets emotionally attached at date 2.
It's a no, shouldn't
No,
happen. No.
ठीक है.
Flirty, full of himself and knows they are hot, so they will fly. Chuck it.
But it's also again all of the things we might not like personally, but again
for
they're
the
all
show.
a thumbs up for the show.
For the
You
show.
know, it flies for the show, right?
Okay. The one who picks fights just for footage.
It's a Sara yes, but that can't be a Nia's thing. It should be a check. Okay.
Okay.
है ना?
The one who spills everyone's secret and gossips.
The one who always plays the victim.
Smart.
Smart. Okay. Any suggestion, advice to the Splitsvillans?
Play to win and win.
Play to win and win. Okay, that was it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
बहुत मजा आया आपसे बात
Thank you
करके.
so much.
मेरा तो बिल्कुल मन नहीं जाने का, but क्या कर सकते हैं, जाना पड़ेगा.
But I think there's going to be a lot of drama, a lot of spice and entertainment in this show because Nia is there.
Nia is there, yes. Definitely. So thank you so much. That was Nia Sharma. I'm Hamid Barakzi.
I'm Simran Behel and
You
keep
guys,
watching.
Splitsvilla 16.
32 hot singles have entered the villa.
One choice, प्यार या पैसा.
And I'm high on Evo, feeling so fly.
Rocking designers with low tanks. Stacking my feelings with no doubts. Back on my stash on the low.
Catch their stories on Meet the Splitsvillains.
On MTV Splitsvilla Extra Dose Special, streaming on Jio Hotstar.
Scroll more to watch more.